Hello friends, so today I am making dal chila. For that I soaked my dal, that is chana dal, and little bit of rice and moong dal, moong whole जो होती है वो वाली दाल, and grind them. Now we will add some paneer for the protein, homemade paneer this is, some carrots, coriander leaves and onions and some green chilies. And basic masala I am adding salt for taste and little bit of carom seeds. That's it. Give it a good mix. This recipe is protein rich and good for your weight loss. इसको आप as a lunch, in dinner और breakfast में भी ले सकते हो. Cook your chila from both the sides. You can apply some ghee or mustard oil. I am applying mustard oil. And your protein rich chila is ready to eat. You can have this with homemade curd and homemade pickle, और अगर आपको spicy कुछ चाहिए तो you can have this with green coriander homemade chutney. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more.